Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Eero Pro 6e Mesh Router. If you're considering an upgrade to enhance your home internet experience, stick around as we break down its design, performance, and whether it's worth the investment. Let's kick things off with the design and build of the Eero Pro 6e. Sporting a sleek, modern look with glossy white plastic and a compact form factor, it blends well into any home environment. Despite its unassuming appearance, it packs a punch with a tri-band setup. Including the new 6 GHz band, which is a standout feature for future-proofing your home network. Setting up the Eero Pro 6e is a breeze thanks to the intuitive Eero mobile app, available for both iOS and Android. The app guides you through the entire setup process, from initial installation to managing your network settings. It's user-friendly and offers features like network monitoring, firmware updates, and even optional security enhancements like WPA3 support. Now, let's talk performance. In my testing, the Eero Pro 6e delivered impressive speeds across various devices and locations within my home. Whether it was streaming, gaming, or handling multiple devices simultaneously, the Pro 6e consistently provided stable and fast connections. With support for Wi-Fi 6E and a robust 2.5 gigabits per second WAN port, it's well equipped to handle gigabit internet speeds and beyond. Moving on to features, the Eero Pro 6e doesn't disappoint. It includes built-in Zigbee and Thread support, making it not just a router but also a hub for smart home devices. This integration is a game-changer for those looking to expand their smart home ecosystem without additional hubs cluttering up their space. As we wrap up, let's address the big question. Is the Eero Pro 6e worth it? Priced competitively within its category, it offers a compelling package for users invested in future-proofing their home networks. Whether you're upgrading from an older router or stepping into the realm of Wi-Fi 6E, the Eero Pro 6e delivers on its promises of speed, reliability, and seamless connectivity across your home. To sum it up, if you're in the market for a mesh router that combines cutting-edge technology with ease of use, the Eero Pro 6e should definitely be on your radar. It's a solid performer with the potential to elevate your home internet experience to the next level. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.